guys, I'm editing. It's 1 a.m. right now. I'm trying to get some stuff up for Instagram, and I know I haven't posted any vlogmas stuff yet. I'm gonna post it probably all tomorrow. I'm gonna post one tonight, but I've just been really trying to do something fun, so I'm teaching myself this After Effects right now, and I'm gonna post something on the gram. But let me finish getting this together and I'll show you guys the final product. All right, bye.
So I'm gonna get on the car right next to you guys. Alright.
She's from Miami, but she just started at UNC.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
She has all these.
I'm security here.
She's a good girl.
Yeah.